Thank you for watching the Airbnb tour in Japan. I'm home at this Airbnb listed Yamagata Kyomachi Hatago Kitayamaohmiya. This Kyomachiya is located at the north of Shin-Omiya shopping street, which has about 180 stores in northern Kyoto. For example, in the shopping district, there is Oboroya Zuyundo, which is famous for raw dorayaki. It's a 5-minute walk from this Kyomachiya. But it's a popular item, so you have to line up more time in front of the shop. If you want to check out this place for yourself, the link of Airbnb is down below. Welcome everybody that's new to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do and like and share this video. I'm going to show you Airbnb posted unique style house in Japan. Recently, we have featured 5 Kyomachiya. If you haven't watched yet, please click the link. Let's go to the last one of Kyomachiya special. This Kyomachiya was built about 100 years ago and was previously a store. In November 2018, it was renovated into a Kyomachiya for rent. The walls on the first floor are unified with a grid and are lined up very beautifully. These roof tiles are called Ichimonji-gawara with straight edges. Shinto deities are enshrined on it. A gorgeous hanging lantern is displayed at the entrance. Once you enter the building, you will first see a magnificent dragon painting. This was drawn by Yoshio Yamamoto. Next to the entrance, there is a display shelf. This beautiful watercolor painting on the lighting is drawn by Yofu Miyata. There are tables and chairs so you can take a break here. This table is a Kansai Hibachi and is beautifully decorated inside. There is a kitchen here, a refrigerator, microwave, kettle, and other dishes and cooking utensils are also available. There is no problem for a long-term stay. There is a living room next door. There is a huge tsuridoko, about 1 tatami mat large, and a hanging scroll kakejiku, and a calligraphy displayed underneath. This is the work of calligrapher Tempu Miyata. Next to the calligraphy, there are painting and a mizuya. Many tableware are also stored here. The TV and air conditioner are on, so you can spend your time comfortably. Going down, there is a wash basin at the corner. This painting is drawn by Ippo. There is a washing machine and a dryer here. This is a bathroom. It has been renovated and covered with square tiles. Opening the door at the end of first floor, you will find a restroom, very clean and renovated. Climb up the stairs and turn left, you will find a bedroom. The painting Cherry Blossom Improved Room is drawn by Yoshio Yamamoto. Air conditioners available in this room. This bed is a semi-double bed. Climb up the stairs and you will find a living room on your right. You can also lay a futon in this room to sleep. Before that, it's a good idea to take a break with this fluffy cushion. This room also has tokonoma and is decorated with peasant figurines. This hanging scroll kakejiku is also beautiful. This is a work drawn by Non Nakagawa. This picture has Keiko and Maiko drawn by her. This is Katsukiyo-chan, the character of Yamagata Kyomachi Hatago in 5 series of Kyomachiya Special. Non Nakagawa is the author of these cute illustrations. There is a patio outside this window. I didn't use hammock because it was raining on the day, but you can use it. There is another restroom on the 2nd floor. This work is drawn by Kosui Inui. As an option, you can order Kyoto cuisine, Okamoto Koubaian from Kamishichiken. You can enjoy your dinner while relaxing in a completely private dish Kyomachiya. Each dish was delicate flavors and they were very delicious. Details of Okamoto is listed in the summary section below. How was Yamagata Kyomachi Hatago Kitayamaohmiya? The owner has renovated this Kyomachi original stores and AIRBNB. Many works of art displayed in this Kyomachi. Please tell me which part you like. I would be very happy if you could leave a comment below. This AIRBNB is the last Kyomachiya in 5 series of Kyomachiya Special. Did you all enjoy it? See you again. Please subscribe this channel.